Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you how you can see two sheets of a single Excel sheet in parallel to each other and work on them simultaneously or see them simultaneously. Okay, so the first step that we have to do is that we have to go to the View tab and here click on New Window. So once you click on New Window, the same worksheet opens up in another window. So ideally you have two windows for the same worksheet. So let's go back to View and then click on Arrange All and select Vertical, and we can select Windows of the active workbook and click on OK. So now you see my workbook is split into two sheets and both of them have the same data. So basically it's the same worksheet, but it's shown twice. Now what I can do is I can select the sheet 2 on the right hand side view. So I can see the sheet 1 data here and the sheet 2 data here. If I go to the sheet 2 here, it also has the same data. Okay, but if I want to see sheet 1 data and sheet 2 data simultaneously, this is the procedure and way to do it. Now for example, I change a value here, okay, and select the sheet 2 on the left hand side. Here also you see this value gets updated. So ideally these both are the same sheets, but they are opened in different views, okay, so as you can see them parallel to each other or next to each other. Okay, also there is a way by which you can also scroll the sheets parallel to each other. So at the moment, if I scroll sheet 1, only sheet 1 gets scrolled, and if I scroll sheet 2, the sheet 2 gets scrolled. Okay, but if I click this button which says view side by side, okay, it brings it to a different form. Okay, and then I have to select again arrange all, vertical, and now this option is enabled, which is called synchronous scrolling. And now if I scroll the sheet 1, you see on the right hand side the sheet 2 is also getting scrolled. Okay, so you can compare each cell by this procedure. Okay, so this will really reduce your time when you have to work on different sheets. Okay, you can also cascade more sheets here, and it will be very helpful. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.